welcome back to my channel and welcome to Adalynne's second birthday. Today we are celebrating her second birthday and it is all Frozen themes. It came out just the way that I was hoping it would be. If you guys saw the first part of my video or if you guys saw last year's video, you know that we always do her birthday parties out in the garage and we really transform our garage into a it doesn't look like a party hall at all. But it's as close as it's going to get for being out in the garage, and I'm just super happy with the way that it came out. It is around 2:30 right now, and everybody should be getting here around 3. I just have to finish making some food. Adalynne is all dressed in her Elsa costume, and she loves it. She keeps looking at herself in the mirror and dancing all around. It is so cute. Right? Look, there's Elsa! Hi, birthday girl! Happy birthday, Queen Elsa. Can you do a spin? We are supposed to be getting snow as well, so it is the perfect day for a Frozen birthday. I really hope it doesn't snow a lot, but I hope that we definitely get some snow because every time Adalynne looks at the snow, she calls it Elsa because she thinks that it's frozen. So we're hoping for some snow today as well. Happy birthday. I love you. So before everybody gets here, I want to show you guys a little bit of what we did, and then I'll show you guys clips later of the birthday party, and then after, during the party, after everything is completely done, because we are waiting for the chocolate fountain. We have a fondue fountain, and I think that's it. That's the only thing that needs to be set up.